gonna be great. Packed up, I'm ready to go. King Custos, Finny Bushcraft. Oh yeah. Hey everybody, welcome back. Finally found the spot. Well, after I think maybe 4 hours searching, we found the spot. But it's gonna be amazing. I got this wonderful idea for our base camp. I'm gonna build a basic, A-frame type of shelter. Cover it up with moss, leaves, sticks, everything that we can find, and we're gonna make a nice campfire. Gonna eat some good food, but first we are gonna clean up this mess.
Let's go build.
Flavor Bean Special. Oh yeah.
Good.
That's good stuff. Okay, so now the shelter is closed up with sticks. Now we're gonna isolate it with some pine branches, some moss, so we'll keep the heat in at night and also protect us for a little bit of rain. That is all finished. Okay, so basically what I've built here is a type of smoker grill for the meat that I have. Plus you can also, hang stuff on this like coffee. Just like that grill rack. Let's prepare the campfire so we can eat some food. Eat some food. Place it on top of here. It needs about 1 hour. And it's raining again. So I came up with a quick fix just to save the fire and the meat. I hope the rain will stop soon. Good morning, folks. It's 6 o'clock. It's raining again. So last night we put our tarp on the shelter just in case. We are packing up. We are ready to go home. And let's see you the next time.